One of the most confusing aspects of the EPA's lead RRP rule is that businesses are required to have their own lead-safe certification. This lead firm certificate is separate from the lead renovator certificate you receive in class. You need both a lead renovator certificate and a lead firm certificate if you own your own business and want to perform RRP activities. But don't worry, getting a lead firm certificate is quite simple. In this video, we'll walk through the process for businesses in EPA-controlled states, which are all of these states in green. So firstly, all you have to do to get a lead firm certificate is complete the firm registration. There's no class required for the lead firm certificate like there is with the lead renovator certificate. You can submit the lead firm registration before or after you attend the lead renovator course, so we recommend submitting as soon as possible to avoid any delays. To do this, you must log on to the EPA firm certification page. The registration costs $300 and you'll be asked to pay directly online. When you click on the Apply Now button, you'll be brought to a search page. Complete the search form even though you haven't registered your company yet. You'll be prompted to start a new application at the end of the page. Here is the link to start a new application. Click on it. EPA's website will ask you to verify which registration you want. For RRP work, select New Renovation Firm for $300. You will then be directed to EPA's Central Data Exchange. Through this portal, you'll create an account and complete your registration. After you complete the registration, you will receive an email confirmation. Your firm certificate will also be delivered via email, typically within a few weeks. The certificate will have your company's name on it, as opposed to your RRP Lead Renovator certificate, which has your individual name or your employee's name on it. If at any point during the registration process you have some questions or you're confused, please feel free to contact Zack Academy. Log onto our website, fill out our contact form, call us, or chat us, and we'll be happy to help you during the registration process.